Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here, basically, we are talking about the one another topic, that is cities creation. This basically we are talking about one of the stories, Laksh Web Solution. In Laksh means target basically. Laksh equal to, in Hindi basically what is called Laksh basically. Laksh actually think is Hindi word basically. Laksh in Hindi. Laksh actually it's a Hindi word basically, but it has given English word basically, and they have given English word equal to target, and this basically has Laksh basically. So what is Laksh basically? That basically we don't know basically, because there might be some Laksh basically. For example, few people says that this is my Laksh. Just a minute, I will just. This is my Lakshya. Few people says that this is my Lakshya. This basically what is that we have already discussed. So it's like Lakshya. Each and every people basically have Lakshya basically. So that is Lakshya basically. So in this basically story basically we have already taken basically what actually this is, that is Russian group, government, BJP group, 11 parts basically, that also we have. So cyber cell groups always keeps on connecting. Previously it was log file, nowadays basically they have connected with this. Directly they have placed one people basically, and that is basically the earthquake. That basically they don't know. That basically, or there few people says that basically few people understand practically thing only basically. So that will be practical basically. And now basically about few countries basically. For example, UK, USA, Canada, Russian group, nuclear power company. One other person told that basically, yeah, I actually thought lot basically. Then I came to conclusion that basically, for example, if anything happens to political people, na, if anything very big is going to happen in the political area basically, then just assume that basically that particular king basically has done that. If anything happens to the companies basically, in the software company basically, any company basically, that means that particular king basically has done that. If anything happening to the food industry, then assume that basically that particular king has done that. For example, anything happens to the land basically, for example 11 parts basically which is getting divided, that is also connected with one of the king basically. If anything happening to the uh, stock exchange, entire world stock exchange, that 12 lakh crore dollar basically, that is also assume that basically that is done by the particular king basically, it's connected with that particular king. Assume that basically entire world basically have set created temples, mosque, church basically, everything basically, so that is connected with that particular king basically. So each and everything basically are connected with the set of king groups basically. So one of the person told that basically the software companies and each and every companies are also connected with kings only basically. Yes, it's connected with king directly basically. Reason behind that basically, one of the person told why it's like that basically. Then he told that basically each and every whatever energy basically which we generates basically, that converts to what basically. Then he told that part planets basically, and planet basically where basically planet gets creates in universe basically. So in universe basically a character is drawn, z character is drawn, zero character is drawn, one number is drawn. So that basically contains set of planets na? So one person told that who is the owner of a character. Then he told that need to check here with the king group basically, that who is the owner of a character. Then he told that who is the owner of b character. Then he told that who is the owner of b, c, like this basically a to z characters basically are there. Then he told who is the owner of one character, who is the owner of zero character, who is the owner of two, three, like this basically. One of the people basically asked basically, because this group basically create the space in universe basically, and they have basically set of designs also basically. For example, we will see few designs basically, just a minute, because each and every designs basically are drawn in the symbols. So let's set of symbols basically are there, right? So this symbol, see this symbol basically, this symbols you see, this symbol you see, you can see this symbols, see this symbol basically. Star symbol is there, plus symbol is there, this symbol is there, this symbol is there, this symbol is there, and these symbols are basically there, then it was there, yes, basically these symbols are also there, then see these all symbols basically are there. See this symbol, these are symbols basically connected with the religious basically, Christian, Hindu, this is I think Muslim, Hindu, star basically I think some caste basically. See basically Parsi group symbols are there, Jain symbols basically are there. So these all symbols basically are designed in the sky basically, in universe basically. In that basically, for example, plus symbol is there. Inside this thousands of planets basically are there. See this design is this is Hindu basically. This is also Hindu. This all basically contains thousands of planets basically. So this is the power of Earth planet. Few people says that basically. This is the power of Earth planet basically. So same way basically, each and every country basically is created by set of kings basically. Set of king basically created this each and every countries basically, and each and every country basically are connected with set of incidents basically. Incidents means you can say for to run basically world, what is the required basically. The government is required, the construction department is required, the education is required, the foods industry is required, medical industry is required, then Bollywood industry. Bollywood means basically you can say to display purpose they created the Bollywood. So that basically whatever things basically, for example, why Russia basically country was created. For that basically set of movies are created. Why basically Singapore country is created. Why Europe created. Why USA created. Why India created. Why BJP created. Why Congress created. If any changes happens in BJP, then the picture also basically gets to part 2, part 3, part 4. Like this basically keeps on doing. Congress government. Like this Singapore, Russia, each and every country gets created. And as per the changes basically happens in the country basically, the movie gets into part 1, part 2, part 3, part 3. And few people basically not able to track that basically, they basically give some different name also basically. But it's connected na basically, each and every things basically are connected, the story writer basically are connected. It's not like that basically the different writer are basically taken. Same story writers are basically taken. And few people says that basically the story writer basically, if he ends then basically his clone gets creates and again he basically jump into the story writing basically. Like this also basically the medical industry has become so dangerous basically, you can't understand basically. So like this basically the things basically are connected. So you can just imagine basically. Few people says that you are technically very sound, not sound basically. Few people says you are technically very sound basically. This all are technical IT industry basically. This all are technically IT industries basically. Few people says that अरे यार software industry तो Bollywood ने बनाया है. Then he told that yes यार, software industry is created by Bollywood and Hollywood basically. Then one of the person told that no यार, the people who says that basically you are technically not sound basically. No ये technical मतलब Bollywood ने नहीं बनाया. There's somebody else basically who created it. Few people says that it's created from the nuclear power company. Bollywood itself is created one of the nuclear power company. One nuclear power company basically, one a set of nuclear power company who handles Bollywood, and Bollywood is handling the software company basically. So in next video basically we are going to see basically who is handling whom basically.